Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have OnePlus Pad Go 2. In this video let me show you how to enable developer options on this device. You want to start by opening settings, and now let's scroll down until you see about device section. Now tap on version and tap build number, so that's version number repeatedly for 7 times, and now we want to enter your PIN. And as you can see here is message, you are now in developer mode. Now if you go to system and update section, you will see here your developer options. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.